Here's one of the most valuable things I've learned from singing. When I hold back my voice, I'm holding back my life. Until just a few years ago, I always knew I could sing and I always wanted to sing, but something told me it wasn't safe to sing full out, so I held my voice in. And when I sang, it sounded like a strangled gargle. So I believed that strangled gargle was my real singing voice. And all because I believed it wasn't safe to sing full out. God, what a lot of years I wasted holding life in. The funny thing is, when I finally found the courage to let my voice out of the box and really sing, I discovered a voice I never would have believed I had. This is what I'm talking about. How far would I travel to be where you are? How far is the journey from here to a star? And if I ever lost you, how much would I cry? How deep is the ocean? How high is the sky? That same openness has affected the rest of my life in amazing ways. Nothing seems to scare me anymore. And that's saying a lot for someone who went through life scared of one thing or another most of the time. Discovering it was safe to sing full out was a gift that let me feel safe without having to hold back my life. And then I saw the only thing all that holding back was protecting me from was the full experience of my own beautiful life. Because it turns out my voice was never the dangerous thing. Silence was. And the life I was trying to protect was the very thing I was keeping myself from really living. So now I sing. Not because it makes me brave, because it reminds me I already am. And every time I let my voice out of the box, I let out a little more of my life with it. And that, I've learned, is what real freedom sounds like.